What is a juvenile court in the judicial system? Have you ever wondered how the legal system handles young people who get into trouble? Let's take a closer look at juvenile courts and their role in the judicial system. Juvenile courts are specialized courts that deal with individuals usually under the age of 18. These courts handle cases where minors are accused of crimes or are involved in issues related to their welfare and care. Unlike adult courts, juvenile courts focus on rehabilitation instead of punishment. The goal is to guide young people toward positive development and help them avoid future offenses. This approach recognizes that youth are still growing and learning. Juvenile courts operate under state laws that define how they function. They often have separate courtrooms designed to be less formal than adult criminal courts. This setting helps create a supportive environment for the young individuals involved. Typically, the public is not allowed in juvenile hearings to protect the privacy of the minors. Juvenile courts handle various types of cases. These include delinquency cases, which involve criminal acts committed by minors. They also deal with status offenses, which are actions considered offenses only because of the youth's age, like skipping school. Additionally, they address dependency or neglect cases where a child's welfare is at risk. The court process in juvenile courts is different from adult courts. Judges who specialize in juvenile matters usually preside over these cases. Unlike adult courts, jury trials are rare in juvenile courts. Instead, judges make decisions based on evidence and reports presented. Youth do not enter traditional guilty or not guilty pleas. Instead, they admit or deny the allegations against them. A key focus of juvenile courts is rehabilitation. Judges have the discretion to impose various sanctions that may include probation, counseling, community service, or even placement in juvenile detention facilities when necessary. Several important figures play a role in juvenile court proceedings. Besides the judge, there are probation officers, social workers, and attorneys. Parents or guardians may also be involved. These participants work together to support the youth's rehabilitation and overall well-being. Privacy is a significant aspect of juvenile court proceedings. These hearings are usually closed to the public, which helps protect the minor's identity and future opportunities. This reflects the system's emphasis on giving young people a second chance. In some cases, if a minor is involved in serious or violent offenses, the juvenile court may transfer the case to adult criminal court. This happens if the youth is seen as unsuitable for rehabilitation under juvenile jurisdiction. Overall, juvenile courts representing a unique environment tailored to address the specific needs of young offenders. The courtroom setting is less adversarial and more focused on understanding the youth's circumstances and potential for change. This approach influences how courtroom procedures are conducted, the role of the judge, and the involvement of community and family resources.